How to fix iPhone screen or screenshots are dark. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone's screen or screenshots getting dark. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first fix is you'll need to reduce or turn off your white points. For that, you'll need to head over to your settings. Open up your settings. Let me head back here. Okay, so after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you tap on accessibility, simply search for display and text size. Tap on it, and there scroll down, and there you'll see reduce white points. Make sure that this is turned off as it is on mine. If it is turned on, turn it off. After doing that, head back again. And now the second fix is you'll actually need to set zoom filter to none. For that, you'll again need to come over to your accessibility tab, and on your accessibility tab you'll need to head over to zoom. Tap on it, and after you're on your zoom, turn off your zoom as well. And after you're on your zoom, scroll down, there you should see zoom filter. Tap on zoom filter and make sure that it is turned selected on none. After doing that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to reset all of your settings. For that, head over to your settings again, and on your settings, go to general. On your general, scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. Now tap on reset all settings to reset all of your settings. And after doing that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. And that is how you fix iPhone screen or screenshot getting dark. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.